Hello guys, how you doing? Welcome to another useful video of Q4 quality. Today I would like to share with you how to add a link in TikTok bio. All of us we are using TikTok platform to upload the videos, and some people they are just using to see the videos and to enjoy the fun. And some TikTokers they have YouTube channel also, and they are using YouTube to upload the videos regularly. So the YouTubers they want to share their YouTube channel link in TikTok bio, and some people they want to share their business website link in TikTok bio. Actually, most of the people, you know what they are doing? They are just doing normal copy paste from YouTube channel or website link in TikTok bio, but it will not work like a link. It will be remain like a normal text. So how to add a working website link in TikTok bio? This is the one I would like to share with you today. So guys, if the video is really useful for you, please like the video and please share your comments whether it is useful or not.
So let me share my screen, guys. First of all, we need to open our TikTok application. Once you open TikTok app, you can see right bottom profile. Click there, please. So once you click there, you can see right top there is 3 dots here. Just click there in 3 dots, then you will have several options, many options you can see here. From here you need to click manage account. Once you click manage account, you will have only limited options here. From here just click switch to business account. So once you click switch to business account, you will get an interface like this. Here you just need to click next. So once you click next, you can see a lot of categories here. We need to choose a category from here. You can choose anyone which is suitable for you. For me, I would like to choose like media and entertainment. Once you choose a category from here, we need to click next. And here you can see like a note, welcome to your business account. You now have more features to connect with your viewers on TikTok. You can also add a business website and email to your profile. Just click skip. Then you can see here edit profile, just click there. Once you click there, you can see here some options and you have to choose your website, add your website. So here you need to copy paste your business website link or YouTube channel link, whatever. Once you copy paste your link here, just click save. So that's all, yeah, it's finished now. You need to just click here, go back to see what happened there in your profile. Yeah, it's done, guys. Here you can see your link is appear here. Just have a click to see whether it is working or not. Once you click here, yeah, it's going to my YouTube channel. Now you can see my YouTube channel. Once I click in that link, it's went to my YouTube channel. So guys, if you like the video, please subscribe. Good day.